Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 3rd August 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade and share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading idea. What an exciting day we had today. Congratulations to all the traders. Today market has finally touched 16,000 mark and has gone way beyond it. So before we get into analysis of Lalaji, let's have a look into our global market. So when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 has now taken a support on 20 bar moving average and it's going up. So this is looking quite good. US government 10 bond yield is still going down somewhere at 1.17. So this is also looking fantastic. And the dollar index is now hovering around 92.1 and below 8 bar and 20 bar. So this is still little precarious, but it seems like market has started accepting these new levels. Now let's see from here how the dollar index is gonna make any move to market. But as of now, I'm considering this as a no impact for a market, specifically considering today's move. Now, when we look, so global cues are looking quite positive. When we look into Bank Nifty has taken a support now on my magical black blue line and has had a fantastic move today and has almost moved above weekly H4. So this is looking quite good. Motabai is also has come out of the top resistance zone now, which will act as a support, which is 206073 and 2064. And Motabai is also now on daily basis is definitely in uptrend about 20 above 8 and above critical resistance zone. HDFC Bank on daily chart is looking above 8 bar but still below 200 and below 20, so there is a lots of room for HDFC Bank is left, which is at the corner of the pivot table. So let's see if HDFC Bank picks up and Motabai starts supporting the market, then you do not know where the market will go. So all the key elements of the market, global cues, as well as a key element in local market, that is Bank Nifty, HDFC, and Reliance, are quite looking positive. Now, with that in background, let's have a look on weekly chart. So we had a fantastic week start, and we see that Lalaji has now taken a support on weekly 8 bar moving average and has started the new rally, and now it is at 16130 and above all the critical pivot point on monthly as well as weekly basis. So Lalaji is definitely looking quite positive on weekly chart. Daily chart above 8, above 20 and above 50 bar moving average. So definitely here also Lalaji is looking quite bullish. On a 15-minute chart, now Lalaji will have a very good support at 15960, which is my black magical line, and also 50 bar moving average. If 15960 is broken, then the next support will come at 15868, which will be a 200 bar moving average and combination of blue weekly monthly H3 and a weekly H3. So now 15961 is a very good support for Lalaji. So definitely the trend is up, no brainer. And when we look into CPR, we see that tomorrow's CPR is about today's CPR. So this confirms the trend, that the trend is in bullish direction. So there is no doubt markets are now has entered into new expansion phase in new territory. So the trend is up. And now when we look into SGX as of now SGX is at 15198, which is just below R1 but above today's range and definitely above pivot. So this confirms that the tomorrow also the trend will be up. So for tomorrow, the official trade plan is buy on dip. The first option is that it will open definitely above pivot and above the previous day range. If it opens above pivot and above previous day range, that is previous day high, then buy on dip at pivot, which is at 16064, which is also the L3 for tomorrow, which is at 16067. So this is the best possible scenario where 20 bar moving average will come and provide a support. So assuming that market will have a gap up opening and it will come down, it may look forward to reverse from previous day high and previous day close, but that is not the trade I would prefer to take. I would look for a best possible scenario. There is a reversal pattern happening at pivot, which is at 16064 for a target of R2, which is at 16295. Uh, the second possible scenario is that the market will open below pivot. In this scenario, I will just the official trade should be sell on rise, but in that case, I will just hold and because there is a huge support zone between 16010 and 15868. So I would not prefer to take any short for tomorrow. So tomorrow I will just go with the one mindset, that is buy on dip, which is at pivot, which is at 16064. Another scenario could be that market will continue this super trend. Now, if you see, it is running almost parallel to 8 bar moving average, and there could be a 15-minute breakout where on open itself, on 15 minute, it starts moving up, and one can take that trade also. But as a defensive trader, I would look forward for buy on dip at pivot, which is at 16063 for a target of 16295. So please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So let's review today's trade. So today we enter a market with I entered the market with mindset that I'm not pretty sure in which direction the market is going to grow, and my trade plan was to take 15-minute breakout in any direction it will take. And the market had a 15-minute breakout on the third candle itself, and then it never looked back, and I did not enter here. Why I did not enter here? Because somewhere in my mind, this R3 and this green bar, that is a weekly H4 and black line, was a very strong resistance. And I thought that how far the market can grow. R3, I never seen market going beyond R3. Although it was a narrow pivot, and I was pretty sure that it is going to be a trend day, but I didn't enter, and I just lost the whole thing. But that's all right. But eventually, I tried to have one shot somewhere on this particular green bar. So let me just show you my orders. So I took one quick shot at 1016, which is somewhere here at R3, and I had a stop loss just above here, and I got exited here, and I again tried to enter on this red bar, and I had a very small stop loss, and I exited on this particular green bar, and then I decided not to enter the market at all, and I was just seeing this wonderful rally going on. So overall, I had around these are the orders which I have taken, and this is my position for today, around 827 rupees loss. So what's the learning for me? So the first learning for me is that uh, there is no limit in to how far and how low market can grow. So R1, R2, R3 are not a limit. They are resistance and support level. And I should remember that the Camarilla, the green bar, and the red line are the entry point for responsive and initiative buyer to come in. So what exactly happened here today is that as soon as the market crossed R3 and went above this particular weekly H4, the initiative buyer came in and they started taking the market ahead. Then again, when the H4 monthly H4 was broken, new initiative buyer came and they took the market up. And then at the last phase, the short covering happened, and we've seen this big rally. So the idea is respect the Camarilla pivot. So if you see, this is the daily H4 for today, and market took a support on H4, formed a extreme reversal setup here, which was quite critical junction, and then it moved up. I was hoping that it will come somewhere bottom, and then I will take a buy on dip, but sorry, 15-minute breakout, but I just was not comfortable. So anyways, I was not confident on my trade plan, so I did not act on it, uh, and that's my loss. So what's the learning? Learning is market is all about repetition, and this setup was a classic setup for a trend day when we have found a narrow pivot. which was almost at around 0.37, and we got a point between low and high of 233. So, and the open was above the range. So if you see, the open was above the previous day high. So this is the clear indication that the bulls are in full control, and it will be a trend day. So remember this trade setup, that when the pivots are narrow, look for a trend day, and if the open is above the range, then market will go in that particular direction. So take a 15-minute breakout. Don't hesitate. So when it's time to shoot, shoot. Don't wait. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. If you are following me on tradingview.com, I request you to please subscribe me on my YouTube channel also. Sometimes on TradingView, because of technical glitch, the video, if it's not getting uploaded, then I download the video and upload on YouTube. So you will never miss my video on my YouTube channel. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.